Hello, in this video I want to talk about guardianship of an unborn child. Yes, I want to talk about guardianship of extrauterine children, as the Supreme Court in Alabama puts it. Many of you may know that in February 2024, the Alabama Supreme Court said that children, these unborn children, these eggs that have been fertilized, maybe you refer to them as children, some of you may refer to them as just a fetus, some of you may refer to them as just fertilized tissue. Regardless of what you want to call it, the Alabama Supreme Court recognized the personhood of these unborn children, and they have the same rights and privileges of born children. Many of these cases are looking at the context of wrongful death. Can they sue for the termination of this pregnancy? However, I'm yet to really see people delve into this aspect when it comes to guardianships, when it comes to estate planning, or even when it comes to probate. Let's think about it. If the fertilized egg, if the extrauterine child is a child, then that child should be able to inherit. And as you know, yes, this is Texas and we're talking about Alabama, but remember who was the one that filed and asked the Supreme Court to recognize the personhood of a fetus? Do you remember back in Roe? It was the state of Texas. And therefore, I can see if Alabama leapt to that determination where a fertilized egg is a person, I can see how the state of Texas will be very soon going the same way. And therefore, as estate planning attorneys, as people living in the state of Texas, as anybody, you have to be thinking, if an embryo has personhood in Alabama, it's just a matter of time before that embryo has personhood in the state of Texas. And if we're talking about that, what does it mean when an egg will inherit from someone? And you know, with intestacy, if you have children, then the children will naturally become your heirs. But what if you have 10 fertilized eggs in a clinic? Are those 10 fertilized eggs now a part of your estate? And do they now inherit through you? So do the executors, the administrators of your estate have to list these people, just put unborn next to them, and then they get a share of your estate? Think about the planning nightmare for that. Those are the things that keep me up at night. And I'm just wondering, when we're looking at our estate plans, should we go ahead and disinherit these fertilized eggs within our wills? Or should we address it at all? Or should we just wait and see what comes of it? Those are the things that I think about. And I hope that it's something that's on your mind too. If you want to talk more about it, how do these laws, how do these rules affect your estate plan? Please reach out to us here with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, www.bryanfagan.com/estate planning, where we will treat you like family and oftentimes even better. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.